Stellar Wave 1 is complete. And from all the team at Drips, we want to say thank you to all those that took part. Across open source systems, we see a consistent gap. On the one side, there is funding available, and on the other, there is the day-to-day work that maintainers need help with. Grants are great, but they aren't designed to move quickly on everyday maintenance. And for new developers, finding a defined entry point is often the hardest part. This is why we created Drips Wave. Our goal was to create short, structured contribution cycles, to focus on the work ecosystems actually need to accelerate, and to give contributors clear expectations. It's about creating a predictable environment for what you do best: fix, merge, and earn. And with the first wave run on Drips, Stellar Wave 1, we accomplished that. For 10 days, maintainers registered repos and submitted issues, and you fixed them. In this single window, we had thousands of applications to fix issues, a level of engagement that only open source can provide. And it wasn't just complex code that you fixed, you improved the entire ecosystem. We saw contributors fixing FAQs to help new users. We saw optimization for SEO to help project discoverability. We saw landing pages polished and redesigned. From documentation to core infrastructure, you contributed to every part of the stack. And for this, we want to thank you, the amazing community that took part in this wave and gave your feedback. We are builders. We listen and we iterate, which is why we're super excited to tell you of some of the new features coming to Stellar Wave 2 starting February 19th. First, we are introducing application limits. We want to ensure that every wave is fun and fair for all. Application limits, both on the number of applications submitted and simultaneous tasks, will ensure that maintainers aren't overwhelmed, broader distribution of tasks, and that contributors are selecting the issues that they have the highest chance of contributing towards. In Wave 1, we introduced a way for maintainers to go beyond the code, to recognize creativity, communication, and the human side of collaboration. We saw incredible engagement with this feature. It proved in open source being a good teammate mattered as much as writing good code. But we want compliments to be something more long-lasting. So we're introducing a redesign of the system, and we're super excited to show you how this evolves. We were so thrilled with how Stellar Wave 1 performed across the board, with so many issues being submitted to be solved by you. Hundreds of you signed up to fix problems, merge PRs, and earn. And we want to streamline this process for you, which is why we are introducing better matching. We want you to be able to focus down on issues that matter most to you and that match your specific skill set. So we are overhauling the experience so you can filter down issues to your specific tech stack. Less searching, more coding. Wave 1 proved that scale is possible. And Wave 2 is all about maintaining momentum, but under a fairer, more secure, and efficient experience. Thank you for your feedback, and we'll see you in the next wave.